Have you noticed your legs don't feel quite the same lately? Maybe the stairs feel steeper than they used to, or you've found yourself pausing halfway, just to catch your breath or steady your balance. For many people over 60, these little changes bring a quiet fear, the fear of losing independence. But here's something most folks don't realize. Sometimes your legs aren't weak. They're just missing the right kind of support from the inside out. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 simple drinks that gently nourish your muscles and joints. And the last one, most people already have it in their fridge, but almost no one knows how powerful it really is. So stay with me, because even one of these might help your legs feel steadier again. By the way, where are you watching from today? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Drink number 3, Warm Turmeric Comfort. Let's begin with drink number 3, a warm, golden cup that feels like comfort in your hands. Picture this. It's the end of a long day. The house is quiet. You're sitting in your favorite chair, and in your hands is a gently steaming mug. The soft scent of cinnamon rises with each breath. As you sip, a gentle warmth spreads through your chest, your arms, and down into your legs. It's more than just soothing. It feels like your body is finally exhaling. That's the power of turmeric and cinnamon in one calming drink. Turmeric has been used for centuries, especially in traditional Indian remedies, and modern science has caught up. The key compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory. That matters because inflammation is one of the biggest reasons older adults feel stiffness, soreness, and slow recovery in their muscles and joints. When you combine turmeric with a little black pepper, something special happens. The pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin better, so you get more of the good stuff where it's needed most. And that sprinkle of cinnamon? It doesn't just add warmth and flavor. Cinnamon also supports healthy circulation, helping blood flow more easily to your legs and feet, especially when paired with a healthy daily routine. Here's how to make a cup of golden spice comfort at home. Warm 1 cup of milk, dairy, or plant-based. Add 1-2 teaspoons of ground turmeric. Sprinkle in a pinch of black pepper. Stir in 1-2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Sweeten with a bit of honey if you like. Stir it slowly. Let the aroma rise. And sip mindfully. This isn't just a drink, it's a message to your body that says, I care for you. Try enjoying this in the evening, perhaps after a light walk or before bedtime. It may help you wind down more easily, and over time, support recovery and joint comfort. And if you're thinking, my body's just not what it used to be, I want you to remember this. Your body hasn't given up. It just needs the right kind of care. Drink number 2, gentle bone broth support. Now, let's move to another warm and time-honored drink, something our parents and grandparents often turned to when they needed strength, comfort, or healing. We're talking about a gentle, nourishing broth simmered slowly, rich in flavor, and surprisingly powerful for your joints and legs. You see, when you make a slow-cooked broth using chicken bones and simple vegetables, you're creating something more than just a soup. That long simmering process draws out natural compounds like collagen, gelatin, and a variety of trace minerals. These are the very building blocks your body uses to support connective tissue, soothe aching joints, and maintain mobility as you age. Collagen, in particular, plays a quiet but essential role in keeping your knees, hips, and ankles moving smoothly. As we get older, our natural collagen stores decline, but a warm cup of homemade broth can gently add some of that back without pills, powders, or fancy supplements. Now, just between you and me, let's pause for a quick check-in. How have your legs felt lately? Light and steady, a bit stiff or slow, heavy and tired by the end of the day? Let me know which number feels most like you today, 1, 2, or 3. You're not alone, and your story matters here. Here's a simple way to make this nourishing broth at home. Place chicken bones into a large pot. Add sliced daikon radish, carrots, onions, and a few slices of fresh ginger. Pour in enough water to cover the ingredients, and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to help draw minerals out of the bones. Let it simmer slowly for 12 to 24 hours. Once done, strain the broth and store it in the fridge. When you're ready, warm a cup, season lightly with a pinch of salt or herbs if you'd like, and sip it slowly. Some people enjoy this drink first thing in the morning. Others prefer it between meals or in the quiet of the afternoon, as a calming reset. And while it may seem simple, each sip is rich with what your body needs, especially your joints and legs. It's warm, grounding, and gently restorative. Every cup feels like you're drawing strength from deep within. It's not just a remedy, it's a tradition, a soft reminder that healing doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be consistent. Next, we'll explore a delicious and often overlooked drink that might already be in your kitchen and could be exactly what your leg muscles have been waiting for. Drink number 1, Banana Nut Smoothie for Balance. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night because your leg cramped so tightly it made you sit up in pain? Or maybe you've started to notice your steps feeling just a little less steady, like your legs aren't quite listening the way they used to. If that sounds familiar, there's something simple and delicious that may help bring strength and balance back to your stride. It's a smoothie, yes. Really, a blend of a few quiet ingredients that work beautifully together to support the way your muscles move. Rest and recover. You've probably heard people say, eat a banana for cramps, and they're not wrong. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in how muscles contract and relax. It helps maintain fluid balance inside your cells and supports the nerves that signal your muscles to move. When potassium runs low, your muscles can feel tired, shaky, or even spasm without warning. But there's another mineral your muscles crave just as much: magnesium. That's where nuts and seeds come in. Almonds, sunflower seeds, cashews, all are natural sources of magnesium, which supports hundreds of tiny processes in your body, including nerve muscle coordination and blood sugar regulation. When your body gets enough magnesium, your muscles feel calmer, your movement steadier, and your overall energy more consistent throughout the day. Now here's where things get even better. When you pair the potassium from the banana with the magnesium and healthy fats from nut butters or seeds, you're giving your muscles both the signal and the fuel they need to perform at their best. Plus, this combination helps protect muscle mass over time, which is especially important as we age. To make this calming, leg-loving smoothie, simply blend 1 ripe banana with a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any plant-based milk you enjoy. Add a tablespoon of almond butter or another seed butter if you prefer, and toss in a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few thin slices of fresh ginger for extra flavor and warmth. Blend until creamy and smooth. This smoothie isn't just healthy, it's comforting. You can enjoy it after a morning walk, between breakfast and lunch, or as a gentle afternoon pick-me-up that won't spike your blood sugar. It feels nourishing without being heavy, energizing without being jittery. And just like the other drinks we've talked about today, it's not a magic fix. But when you give your body the right tools, day by day, the results start to show up in quiet but meaningful ways. A steadier step, a smoother night's sleep, a little more confidence as you move through your day. Coming up next, we'll take a gentle look at some common mistakes people make when adding these drinks to their routine so you can get the most benefit with the least frustration. Now, before you add any of these drinks to your daily routine, let's take a moment to gently go over a few things just to make sure your body gets the best. Without any unwanted surprises, let's start with turmeric. While it's widely praised for easing inflammation, too much turmeric, especially in concentrated amounts, can sometimes cause mild digestive upset. If you're taking blood thinners or have a history of gallbladder issues, it's best to speak with your doctor before making turmeric a daily habit. A small amount, used consistently, is often the safest and most effective path. Bone broth is next. It's deeply nourishing when made at home. but store-bought versions can be surprisingly high in sodium. If you're managing high blood pressure or sensitive kidneys, always check the label or, better yet, simmer your own broth at home where you can control the ingredients. Now about bananas. While they offer wonderful muscle support, they do contain natural sugars. If you're watching your blood sugar, especially with diabetes, try pairing your banana smoothie with something high in fiber or protein to keep things balanced. Let me share a quick story. Maria, 68, started making banana almond smoothies every morning. At first, she felt great, but after a week, she noticed her blood sugar readings creeping up. With a few tweaks using half a banana and adding chia seeds, she found a balance that worked. Her energy returned, and her legs felt more stable again. Lastly, be mindful with nuts and seeds. They're packed with benefits. But if you have allergies or sensitivities, consider switching to oat or coconut milk instead. Your body speaks to you in quiet ways. When we pause to listen and respond gently, we often find that small changes lead to lasting strength. Today, we explored 3 simple drinks that do more than quench your thirst. They gently support the strength and balance of your legs from the inside out. That golden turmeric milk brings warmth and calm to sore joints. The slow-simmered broth nourishes your connective tissues with care. And the banana nut smoothie gives your muscles the steady fuel they need to carry you through your day. Each one may seem small on its own, but together they form a quiet routine of support so your steps can feel lighter, your movements smoother, and those stairs that once felt daunting, maybe they don't seem so steep anymore. Because sometimes the greatest gift you can give yourself is the ability to move freely without holding on, without second-guessing. And we're not done yet. In our next video, we'll continue this gentle journey exploring new ways to care for your feet, your knees, and everything in between. So if you're ready to feel a little stronger with every step, make sure to stay with us. Until then, I'd love to hear from you. Which drink are you most excited to try? 1, 2, or 3? Leave your answer in the comments. We truly read every message. And if you found today's video helpful, go ahead and tap like and follow Healthy Seniors Over 60 for more gentle, practical ways to support your health. Your golden years still have so much life in them. Let's make every step count together.